Hey guys, it's Mr. Jacob. Are you ready to take your English speaking skills to the next level in 2024? Do you want to sound more natural and confident in your everyday conversations? Well, you've come to the right place. In this video, I'm going to share with you 50 essential English phrases that will help you sound more like a native speaker. Whether you're a beginner who's just starting out or you're more advanced and you want to fine-tune your fluency, these phrases will help you to really level up your English. We're going to be exploring all sorts of common expressions, idioms, and even some slang that native speakers use all the time. From greetings and introductions to ways to agree and disagree to express your feelings and opinions, this comprehensive list is going to boost your vocabulary and seriously improve your conversational skills. So, are you ready to unlock the secrets of native English? Let's dive in. Let's start with a classic greeting.
This is a casual way to ask, "How are you?"
Use this with friends for a relaxed vibe.
Chapter 4. Long time no see. This is just perfect for when you haven't seen someone in a while.
Chapter 5. How have you been? Ask this to find out how someone's been doing.
Chapter 6, nice to meet you. A polite greeting for a first-time introduction.
Chapter 7. Take care. This is a kind way to say goodbye.
Chapter 8. Catch you later. A more casual way to say goodbye.
Chapter 9. See you soon. Use this when you expect to see someone again shortly.
Chapter 10. Have a good one. This is a friendly way to wish someone well.
Chapter 11. No worries. You can use this to reassure someone that everything is okay.
Chapter 12. It's all good. This is another way to say that everything is fine.
Chapter 13. My bad. A casual way to admit you made a mistake.
Chapter 14. No problem. Use this to say something is not an inconvenience.
Chapter 15, you're welcome. A polite response to thank you.
Chapter 16. Anytime. This is a more casual way to say you're welcome.
Chapter 17. Don't mention it. Use this to say that thanks are not necessary.
Chapter 18. Absolutely. A strong way to agree with someone.
Chapter 19. You bet, it's an enthusiastic way to agree.
Chapter 20. For sure, it's a casual way to agree.
Chapter 21. I couldn't agree more. Use this to show strong agreement.
Chapter 22. Exactly. This shows you completely agree.
Chapter 23, that's right. Use this to confirm something is correct.
Chapter 24. Tell me about it. This shows you understand and agree.
Chapter 25. I hear you. This shows you understand someone's point.
Chapter 26. Got it. A simple way to say you understand.
Chapter 27. Makes sense. Use this to show you understand and agree.
Chapter 28. Fair enough. This shows you accept something, even if you don't fully agree.
Chapter 29. I see. A way to show you understand what's being said.
Chapter 30. I get it. Use this to show you understand something.
Chapter 31. Sounds good. A casual way to agree to a suggestion.
Chapter 32. I'm in. Use this to show you agree to participate in something.
Chapter 33. Count me in. Another way to agree to participate.
Chapter 34. I'm down. A very casual way to agree to participate.
Chapter 35. Let's do it. Use this to show enthusiasm for doing something.
Chapter 36. Why not? This shows you're open to doing something.
Chapter 37. Sure thing, a confident way to agree to do something.
Chapter 38. Will do. A simple way to say you'll do something.
Chapter 39. I'm on it. Use this to show you'll take care of something.
Chapter 40. Consider it done. This shows you'll definitely do something.
Chapter 41. No way. Use this to show surprise or disbelief.
Chapter 42. Really? Another way to show surprise or disbelief.
Chapter 43. Are you serious? Use this when you can't believe something.
Chapter 44. You're kidding. A playful way to show disbelief.
Chapter 45. Unbelievable. Use this when something is hard to believe.
Chapter 46. That's amazing. A great way to show admiration or excitement.
Chapter 47. That's awesome. Another way to express excitement.
Chapter 48. That's fantastic. Use this to show you're impressed.
Chapter 49. That's incredible. This shows something is truly remarkable.
Chapter 50. That's wonderful. A heartfelt way to express joy and positivity.
So there you have it, 50 essential English phrases that will have you sounding more natural and confident in no time. Don't miss out on the chance to impress your friends and colleagues with your newfound language skills. Remember, practice makes perfect, so make sure you use these phrases as often as you can. And hey, to make sure you don't miss out on any valuable tips and tricks, make sure to watch right through to the end of the video, where I'm going to be sharing some bonus advice on how to practice these phrases effectively. If you enjoyed this video and you found it helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more awesome language learning content. Let's embark on this journey together and master the art of speaking English like a